Hello and welcome to Credit B presents RCB 12th Man TV. It took nerves of steel to overcome the spirited hosts, but in the end, the 289-run effort batting first by Team India proved an inch too good for Zimbabwe. This victory was not going to come easy, with the Zimbabwean middle order veteran Sikandar Raza taking the game down to the wire. However, it's when you put a team under pressure that the character comes to the fore, and the third ODI gave India plenty of takeaways. And here are our top three. At number 3, Shubman Gill stamps his authority on the big stage. He has been touted as the future of Indian cricket, and over the course of the last 6 ODIs for Team India against Zimbabwe and the West Indies, Shubman Gill has showed just why. After skipper KL Rahul got some valuable time in the middle, it was the 22-year-old Gill who kept the innings going at a fair clip in tough conditions. A maiden international century filled with trademark Gill elegance was central to Team India getting a winning score on the board.
These are really nice, bro. Thanks a lot for the gift.
यार ये तो मेरे लिए था, अब एक और लेने के पैसे नहीं है।
ये ले और यहाँ से 10 मिनट में लोन ले।
Credit B. Loans anytime, anywhere.
At number 2, Ishan Kishan emerges as a middle order option. When Gill needed an able ally, he found one in Ishan Kishan. The wicketkeeper batsman had to exercise caution, but notched up a valuable half-century, showing that he could slot into the middle order when needed. Ishan Kishan and Gill's 140-run stand set the right platform for India to finish big. And at number 1, Akshar and Kuldeep choke Zimbabwe. While the first 2 ODIs had plenty in it for the Indian fast bowlers bowling first, with not as much on offer, Zimbabwe had gotten off to a decent start in the run chase. The onus was on the Indian spinners to reel the Zimbabwean middle order in. It was the ever-consistent Akshar Patel and the magic of Kuldeep Yadav that ensured that India had a tight grip on the proceedings in the middle overs. 4 Zimbabwean middle order wickets shared between them at a combined economy rate of less than 4 and over meant even an outstanding batting effort in the run chase by Sikandar Raza was not enough to take the hosts over the line. A third 3-0 whitewash in the calendar year in ODIs for Team India, 15 consecutive ODI wins against Zimbabwe, and some thrilling cricket on display. Could there have been a better conclusion to the tour? Up next, in less than a week's time, it's time for the biggie, the Asia Cup. Who are Team India up against first? We need not tell you, do we? It's India versus Pakistan.